Okay, Carly, Savoy here. I just want to walk you through like what I'm looking for. So basically, I'm looking for, three sports performance edits to flyers, and I'm looking for, a caption. Um, what I would like for you to send me today are the flyers and the caption because I want to post that tonight on my personal Instagram. I'm activating my personal Instagram to take advantage of the situation. Um, there's the title, Dead Period Sports Performance Camp, March 16th through the 13th. The North location will have all regular class times and noon times on Monday, Tuesday, Thursday. South location will have a Tuesday, Thursday, 4:30 and a 6:30 option, and a Saturday at 10 a.m. Basically, with that, those times are pretty much set. I can adjust it if I need to based on the availability of athletes. And then I put over here, Carly, numbers 1, 2, 5, and 6 go on the flyer, but this north and south location on all these times, you don't have to put that on the flyer. That goes in the caption. Like, it just makes your job easier with the flyer, and we just don't, like, it's too much, it's too wordy. So remember, put these dates and times, or rather the times and the days on the flyer. We definitely want this March 16th through April 13th on the flyer. No put the word no contract on there because people know that we do contracts, but if they know that it's like a 1 month thing, no contract 1 month. You know what I'm saying? Something like that on the flyer. I want the Top Dog CrossFit logo on the flyer so to get that brand out there a little bit more. But Carly, this is a flyer that I found that you did that I like. There's nothing wrong with it. We just need to put the new information on there. Obviously, like tighten up the words and put Dead Pair Sports Performance Camp. That's flyer 1. This flyer right here, I love this, except I wanted you to replace this picture. That's a boot camper, or rather a CrossFitter doing some things, and I would rather have an athlete in that. So I gave you a link if you click here. It's our John Harden basketball team in tow. So I'd rather you put that there. And then in this bottom corner, don't put the times because, again, I don't want that on the flyer. We're just going to put the date, put my phone number. Call 270 for more details, right? So that's that. Lastly, this flyer right here, this third flyer is going to be the same as the one you do above, except all I'm looking for you to do is add this. Jemiah is our top athlete, has the best body ever, and I just want to put that in place. If you notice that this picture is very vertical, and if you look at this one is very vertical too, so it should be a easy flip over. And obviously you'll put the new dates and times in there. For the caption, I'm not good at wordplay, so I'm going to tell you a couple things that I want in the caption. Let people know that we're taking the virus very seriously. Let them know that we're taking precautions to sanitize the gym. And let them know that we're offering more class times, which will minimize class sizes and at the same time, like, reduce the spread. Like, people don't need to just shut their lives off from this, but we don't need a class with 30 kids. By offering those other times throughout the day, that 4:30, 5:30, all those times or whatever that says, that is going to reduce the spread. So we're offering sports performance in the day period to more. So keyword is more. More times to reduce the spread. And you might find a different wording for reduce the spread. I don't know if that's the wording that needs to be used. And then sample, basically this red text is the same text that I want to blast out the current class to let them know that we're like, taking precautions. You might want to use some of this wording within the caption of the sports performance posting. Maybe not. And then I got our position statements below. 1, 2, 3. These are some old stuff that I pulled from Kate. So maybe it's like, you post a flyer and then you have this caption, right? Or this caption or this caption. And then lastly, I brought it all together. Attention youth athletes, our dead period camp is from the 16th to the 13th. And then, all this right here is kind of taboo. You can use it. Off the top of my head, I basically said, so we're all aware about the virus and taking the necessary precautions to not spread. However, it's not a situation where like athletes and adults alike, but just for athletes that they need to stop working out. Basically, Carly, you don't know this, but I'll just come down here. So all sports in Kentucky have been stopped. There's a dead period that's going on, and then it's spring break too. It's also spring break. I cannot fucking type. It's spring break as well, and we're just going to take advantage of the situation. and just get people in there. So then I kind of put, so rather than playing video games for the next month, come work out. And then I included a caption. So this is like a sample caption that I'm looking for, but obviously I'm really bad at wordplay. I'll let you kind of clean that up. But yeah, I'm gonna link this video to the top, and yeah, let's rock and roll. If I can get this, maybe one or two of the flyers today in a caption, so I can put this on my regular social media, that would be excellent. Thank you so much, and you have a blessed day, Miss Carly.